So how do you properly market a home for sale? I'm going to give you the 5 steps that are the most effective in maximizing the sales price, and you can't skip out on any of them. They are all critical. Number 1 is pre-marketing. The pre-marketing is all about the prepping the home for sale, making it absolutely as beautiful as it is. Your broker has got to be working with the best photographers, videographers, copywriters, creating the story behind what's going to sell in the marketplace. The pre-marketing is the key first component in getting a proper marketing campaign launched. That's where it begins, and it can end right there if it's not done properly. So where does it all go? Prints. Print is dead, right? Well, it depends on who you're selling to. Who is your client, okay? Is it only millennials that only look on their phone? Or is it possibly someone that's 68 years old and still reads the newspaper? You don't know. So having a beautiful print campaign to go along with the other types of marketing is key. Don't miss out on a step. Number 3 is digital. There's so many forms of digital marketing, but obviously the key and the most effective way to get the word out loud and fast, be it social media, websites, email campaigns, YouTube. You're probably on YouTube right now, right? How is that moving out digitally? That is the most important part of the campaign when it comes to getting the word out quickly, efficiently, and to the largest global audience. Public promotion. Think about, what your typical realtor would do with holding open houses for brokers, for the public, at events and marketing the home at certain events, or having an event at the home. This is public promotion. And number 5 is the power of the broker and who they know and who they network with. For example, having sold over $2 billion in properties in my career, the database that we have that we can quickly reach into in a moment's notice can be the difference maker in getting certain properties sold. So who is that network and that influence that your broker brings to the table? So to repeat, those 5 steps in the marketing campaign is preparation, print marketing, digital marketing, public promotion, and the power of the broker and what they're bringing to the table. That's how to properly market a home in today's marketplace. If you'd like to see a detailed plan on how to market a home properly, feel free to reach out. Even if it's not in our marketplace, we'll share with you the secrets on how to properly market your home no matter where it is. Have a great day.